So now we're going to go through part 2, which is the upper body routine. So when we're going to start, Cal's going to sit on his bum and put the roller behind on his back. Now the starting position, you don't put the roller on the low back because the roller is too large. We actually use a small peanut instead, which we'll show in another video. So you're actually going to start with the roller in a position close to the your lower ribs. Okay, so that's about your mid back. So it's going to be about here, and basically anywhere where you have ribs, that's your the upper section of the body, the torso, and we're going to roll up and down there. So what Cal can now do, he can push his feet into the ground, which is going to drive his hips up, and now he can just use his heels to push in the ground and drag him up and down, and now he's rolling up to his spine. So what I'm going to get Cal to do now is just hover into the center of his chest, get to about that position. What we can do now, if he hangs his arms by his side, that actually pushes your shoulder blades together. So now when he decides to roll, he's rolling over his shoulder blades and through his upper back, which is your traps. From there, I'm going to get Cal to put his hands together and really protract his blades and try and touch the roof. What happens there, that separates his shoulder blades, and now he's rolling in between his shoulders. Once he's in that position, you can also veer to one side and favor one side of the blade where you can hold a bit more tension there as well. And this is really aggressive, so go nice and slow on this. Now, from there, the alternative to this is the bear hug. So you can just bear hug yourself, which is exactly the same. It's just whatever's more comfortable for you. The good thing about bear hugging, it allows you to rotate a little bit more easier as well. From here, I'm going to get Cal to lay on his sides. He's going to show you how to roll his lats now. So basically to roll your lats, that's just the big muscle on the back. He's going to have his arm overhead to expose it. But instead of rolling up and down, he's actually going to shear. So shearing means you're going laterally across the fiber. So he's actually turning his body left and right to roll his lat out. So with shearing, you can only really focus on one particular area. So when you need to change up, you just change your body position and then go back into that rolling. So you can actually shear the whole way up to the armpit. That's basically just the upper body section of how to use a foam roller. The rest of the upper body we can use with some small things, but Cal can also roll out his tricep with the roller whilst he's on the ground. It's a little bit awkward, but you can do it.